Hello again everyone, Truck CB Sales here with a before and after tune-up report for Alvester in Georgia on this 447 HPC2. Alvester, you sent this to me, said you weren't getting the bird watts out of it. Let me show you what we got here. I haven't done anything to it yet. You got your mic gain wide open. RF power all the way down, 50 watt slug. Key in, 1.5 watts. Hello, going to 3 bird. Peak watts 100. Hello, and just struggling to do 30 watts. Now I can roll the RF power all the way up, which right there you see it's 10 watts. Hello, and it'll go to almost 14 bird on your 100 watt scale. Hello, 1 2 1 2 1 2. Do about 75. But what we want to do, Alvester, is get it where you got some good forward bird watts, and then the peak will follow suit. The peak's fine, but if you ain't got the bird, you ain't got the word. Hey, we'll be back in just a little bit. Bump, bump. Okay, and we're back. So we got you all fixed up, sir. This little 447 HPC2, a little bit different setup than what we normally do, but with the amp you're running and the way you want it set up, that's what we did. That's what we do. We set them up how the customer wants them. So RF power all the way down. 50 watt slug. See, it barely moves the needle. About a half a watt, okay? Now, if you remember before, it was dead keying a little over a watt and only swinging to 3 average. So now, of course, in order to keep a perfect sine wave, hello, so we're getting up here right about 12 bird, okay? Now, that keeps you from pitching off your negatives. It'll sound crystal clear, and doing 4 times the bird is what it was doing. 100 watt slug, hello audio. Turn it on peak. Hello audio, 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 audio. So you did pick up a little bit there. Go back here. You roll it up. It's doing about 4 watts all the way up when you rolled it. When you got it where it turns down to half a watt, this one sets up at 4. Show you average power swing. Hello, and about 27 watts. So you're doing about 6 times the average what you was doing. 100 watt scale. Hello, 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 hello. Still about 100 watts. All right, my friend, it's ready to come to you. I sure hope you enjoy this, and it's really going to drive your amplifier better than it did by 4 times at least. I'm your friend Truck at www.truckscbsales.com. Bump, bump.